Hello, my Rainbow Werewolves. This is Simon for 5 here, and welcome back to another video. And don't ask, I'm just doing this way quick. It's not looking at all these videos, I promise, is something else. I made my baby girl Xena her own YouTube channel. And this is her first video, basically. Yes, I'm doing upload.
No video, huh, Xena?
Yeah.
You don't know what this means, but you know what? Xena. Little buddy. That's her big buddy over there. Xena. Hi, pretty girl. Ow. Hey, that's my leg. I don't appreciate that. It's my
I am
leg.
looking at my own video I made of my kitty. But this was a different YouTube channel beforehand. So let's go with it, guys. It's been here since 2 years. No. Oh. Been on oh, it's 3 years, not 2. Since I haven't used this channel, so I decided to make it. Why not make this old channel be my kitty's channel? And I did nothing on it, so don't ask why. But I will be doing a lot of videos on my kitty on this. I promise you guys on that one. I'm still need to do this type of thing, but I'll get there sometime. Very good. Where are all these? I forget now. Oh. Looking back at all these old Clay's video.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying.
I better not play that. Nope. I accidentally played it, but okay. Looking back at all these old videos, it's pretty cool. Basically, my eye. Basically, I had this YouTube channel. Oh, but if you guys like this video, you guys can subscribe to this channel too. If you guys want to support it too. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is my kitty's first channel I made of my kitties. My first ever kitty, new kitty. I'm still surprised how many YouTubers I subscribe to this channel. basically from from my TV basically. So don't judge. I like what? Huh? Wait. Didn't. No. What? Wait a minute. Not this. Monitor videos. Huh? Oh. So I'm sad now. I haven't seen his videos for a long time. I almost accidentally did some no. It's been so long, you guys, for this videos. Please give a like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, next video, and have a good day or good night. Time zone you are at right now, or whatever. If you guys are in the United States, have a good night. Guys living in a different country, have a good day. Guys, on next video. Goodbye.